Bloom Energy, a global leader in power solutions, and Brookfield have announced a $5 billion strategic partnership to build next-generation AI factories that integrate power and data infrastructure. Bloom's clean, scalable fuel cells will provide reliable on-site energy, while Brookfield contributes its global expertise in infrastructure development and financing. The partnership's first projects include AI factory sites under development worldwide, with a European location to be announced later this year. K.R. Sridhar, founder and CEO of Bloom Energy, stated, "Unlike traditional factories, AI factories demand massive power, rapid deployment, and real-time load responsiveness that legacy grids cannot support." Bloom Energy empowers enterprises to meet soaring energy demands and responsibly take charge of their power needs. The company's fuel cell system provides ultra-resilient, highly scalable on-site electricity generation for Fortune 500 companies around the world. Shares of Bloom Energy trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BE. For more information or to sign up for our free daily newsletter, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.